Most high-end designs feel intentional because every element supports a single visual message. Today, how to create intentional visual frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start by applying a soft cream background and add a subtle gradient for depth. Insert one large rectangular frame near the center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the subject immediately attracts attention. Add 2 supporting frames on opposite sides and place secondary images inside them. Keep the spacing consistent to maintain balance throughout the composition. Apply a soft shadow effect